Oh man, this is like disastrous.
Hi guys, welcome back to XNU. Today it's all about house staging or house makeover. So this video is a collaboration between my friend Sean. So he'll walk you through in 2 or 3 episodes on how to house stage your home.
Hi, I'm Sean from Haus Makeover. Today we are going to be making over this place in Yishun. Alright, this is actually a 5-room flat in Yishun. Okay, so my role here is actually just to make over this place. You know, it was given to us with furnitures and you know, it has been vacant for a while. So today we are here to clean up the place. And before we do, we actually want to clear out all the furnitures that you can see. There are very old sofas that are really wear and tear. There are actually cupboards, cabinets in rooms, all right, that doesn't add value to the property. So yeah, in a while's time, we're going to clear it all, and then we're going to bring in our new furniture. Okay, so I think
don't think 3-4 hours.
Yeah, correct. We don't want to focus on inside the cupboard. We focus
just outside.
Yeah, so I mean, don't need to like scrub and whatever. You know, just clean, make sure clean can already. All this will stay, so you can do something to clean, make sure you know the stain remove, and all this remove. There are some like dust along the ledge also. Just clean it. So down here,
Dust.
nothing much.
Just dust.
Nothing much. Yeah, just clean the floor because people will not be wearing shoes when you come.
Okay.
Don't want them to feel sticky or dirty.
Yeah.
So all this furniture later will all be gone. It will all be gone. Yeah. So then there will be like some dust below inevitable. Just keep it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, so this is the master bedroom, and this is what it was given to us. So my job here is to transform this place into a very emotional, into a very attractive bedroom, right? Before I hand over this whole place to the property agent, in this case, Eve Tang, to market the place. Okay, I think the movers are here, so let's go. Hey, hi guys. Let's see, any surprises? Okay, good. This one I want. This one I want. Yeah, this one don't ship. Okay. Yeah. This one just put inside the empty room. Empty one? Any of the empty room, thank you. Okay. Okay. Then the skirting, like that. So the whole house skirting is like that. Alright, so I guess we have the handyman, we have the cleaners, we have the movers. So once this place is spick and span, we'll be bringing in our furniture to stage up the place. So stay tuned for the next episode.